Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be solving LeetCode 657. It's called robot return to origin. Okay, so feel free to pause video to read through the problem, but I feel the examples is more descriptive. So you're given a set of moves as a string. In this case, U is up, D is down, so up, down. We have a robot that starts at position 0, 0 of a Cartesian plane, and we want to figure out, hey, if he returns back to 0, 0 in the end, we return true. If not, we return false. So let's take two examples just to see. Our first example is the same first example given here by LeetCode. You say we're giving moves equals, okay, in this case up and down. Okay, that's what I said. So again, you want to picture, I'll use gray. You want to picture a Cartesian coordinate where your robot starts here. Starts at 0, 0. Okay. So in this case, you go up first. So we're gonna iterate through the string. First, this guy will go up, so we're gonna go up by 1. Okay, so let's call this 1. Okay, then we're on this guy now. You go back right down, so we end up back at 0, 0. Okay, so second example we're gonna look at is let's try to pick one that gives us a false. Which one gives us a false? Okay, this. Okay, so again, second example, moves equals right, right, down, down. Okay, as always, you have your plane starting off here at 0, 0. Okay, so what happens when you move right by 1? So you can move right by 1. Okay, move right a second time by 1. Okay, so that's this 2. So we've done this, we've done this. Okay, so then you're gonna move down by 1, then you're gonna move down a second time by 1. So obviously now you're probably somewhere at your x, so this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, so you're probably somewhere at 2, -2. Okay, this is not 0, 0, so we're gonna have to return false. So pretty much that's all that there is to it, to be honest. Let's go ahead and code this up and see how it works. Okay, so first we're gonna create our Cartesian coordinate. So I'm gonna create an x and a y, set them both equal to 0 and 0. Okay, creating my x and y. So now I want to iterate through my input. So for character in moves, okay, for each of the characters in my moves string, what I want to say, if the character equal up, okay, if it's equal uppercase U, in this case it's always going to be uppercases, so we don't have to worry about converting it to lower cases. Okay, so this means our y coordinates, we're gonna have to increment him by 1. Okay, so elif, okay, let's say elif character equal, since we did u, let's do d. Okay, if it's equal d, so we're just gonna say y minus equals 1, decrement him by 1. Okay, so now elif character equal right. Okay, in this case we want to increment the x, so x plus equals 1, and the opposite, we can use the else statement, but I'm just gonna use the elif again. Okay, character equal, in this case left. Okay, now we want to decrement x by 1. Okay, so after this we want to return, hey, we could write an if statement saying, hey, if x equal 0 and y equal 0, return true, else okay. So yeah, so let's go ahead and run this code. Okay, accepted. Let's go ahead and submit it. Okay, not too fast, but it passes. I don't like this. I think this is too verbose, so we can shorten this. We can shorten this to just say, hey, how about I just return, okay, how about I just return x equal y, just return this too. Okay, I'm just gonna add parentheses just cause, but I don't really need the parentheses. Okay, I'll just return this statement. Okay, now let's go ahead and submit this and see. Okay, so now it's faster and faster memory. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope it was helpful in showing you guys how to solve this problem, and I'll see you guys in the next one.